got the brand new Boost Bolts. This is insane! Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, these for so long. You know the Max Clark series. If you guys don't know about these, you have to get them. Again. Oh my god, this is insane. This is insane. Oh my god. Wait, what's all this? A freaking helmet sticker? Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing is sick. Oh wow, it's a... Oh wow. Oh my god. Thanks for the order. Hope you love the gear. What is it? Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god. 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 Short cuff batting gloves. Oh my god. These fit perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, and we got the other one right here. Oh, no way. These are goated. These are just absolutely goated. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is feels comfortable. It's can't eat. Okay. Normally the Franklin ones are you can rip the strap off, but this one I probably can't even rip the Franklin, but a bunch like men can. So, and I seen videos of Coach Rag that he tried to try and rip this, but it wasn't able. He wasn't able to rip it, but he was able to rip the Franklin ones that are cheap, but this one that are expensive. So you should probably buy like the Bruce Bowls, like these kind of stuff, cause like, and plus they're like drip for baseball, like livable right there. That's amazing. Guys, this is insane. Oh my god, this thing is so cool. Like, I love like the cotton candy color. I love the cotton candy color. It's so cool. I love the light blue. Oh my gosh. It's like cyan kinda. Cyan bluish. That's oh my god. Alright guys. Thank you for watching this video. And this is an amazing thing that I got. I don't know how this is possible. It's a lot. So, yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!